Hey guys, welcome to episode 1 from our custom build project. If you remember from our introduction video, we basically deconstructed the unit. In this episode, we will be installing the custom cage from Concept Distributing, along with a front bumper from Polaris, and we will be ending off our day installing a custom exhaust from HMF. We just finished installing the aftermarket cage from Concept Distributing, a company that is 100% Canadian. This cage is very simple installation, fits into the OEM slots of the previous cage once removed. The cage also comes in various colors. Also, different roof configurations are available. For more information on this cage, we invite you to visit Concept Distributing's website. As far as the installation of the Polaris bumper goes, straightforward, simple 2-bolt installation. The bumper is not only attractive, also protects your front end from any debris that you might find on the trail. This is the Titan QS from HMF. What's interesting to note about this particular exhaust is it's 1 dB louder and 5 pounds lighter than the OEM version. As far as installation goes, very simple and with clear, precise instructions. More information can easily be found on HMF's website. So that concludes this episode. In this episode, we installed the custom cage, performance exhaust, as well as the front bumper. In our next episode, we will be installing a winch from Polaris, as well as complete sound system from SSB Works. So see you then.